Guys, welcome back to the channel. My name's Chris and I'm just another review guy, and today's product is one of the cheapest foam cannons on Amazon as of today. This foam cannon is $32 plus 20% off. Came in about 28 bucks. Now I say it's one of the cheapest because there's lots of foam cannons now on Amazon that are under 30 bucks. They all come with extra goodies. This particular one, you get the stubby handle with it, you get the foam cannon, and then you also get all the nozzles as well. So you get a lot of extra good stuff for 27 bucks. This is a great deal. This is the Hourly, I think that's how they pronounce it. Now I did buy the orifice, so I could change the orifice to get thicker foam if we need to, but we're gonna test this straight out of the box. The orifices I bought were $9.99 for 2 of them. I'll link those as well as this gun in the description below. For today's testing, we will be using Chemical Guys Grape. So we're going to be using the Extreme Suds, Maxi Suds 2 grape flavor. I just wanted to see how it smells when we wash the car, so I'm kind of excited about that. Guys, let's go ahead and hook this up to the pressure washer. This particular gun can only handle 8 gallons per minute and 140 degree temperature of water. My little pressure washer is nowhere near that, where you're running 1.2 GPM. Obviously we want to be at 1.9 or 2.2 to get maximum foam, but I mean, I'm just running a little compressor like most people would be. So let's go ahead and get on with the review and we'll see how the gun works. Alright guys, so one little tip you can do for putting the soap in the canisters, you want to fill the canister first and then go ahead and give it like 2 or 3 good squirts. If you're on a budget, do 2. I'm not concerned about wasting soap at this, not for the review. And then you just want to kind of swirl it around. And what this does is this prevents it from having a bunch of foam and allows you to get the whole canister full of water first. So that's a little tip. Fill the canister first, then add the soap, then give it a swirl, and then you're ready to shoot. Alright guys, so here we go. We are about to spray the car with the Chemical Guys Grape scented Maxi Suds using the gun off of Amazon, which is one of the cheapest ones I found. We are just going to use it straight out of the box and see how it works. So let's go and do it. So obviously you can see it's kind of milky. Let's go ahead and do the adjustment. Normally on these guns you want to adjust downward. That controls the water flow so it sucks more soap, right? We'll adjust the fan width. As you can see, it's not a shaving cream lather, but it's nice and thick suds. It cleans the car pretty well. Obviously when you're using a foam cannon, you don't want to waste a bunch of soap, right? So that would be more than sufficient to scrub down with your mitt and get the job done. If you need to add more, you can add more. Alright, one thing about the Chemical Guys soap, guys, is it smells like grape Kool-Aid, so be careful with little kids around. They might want to drink it, and maybe even some adults if they're not that smart. So remember, just to empty the bottle or keep it away from children. But otherwise, these will work pretty good. $27 gun. My original $20 foam cannon died. It no longer works. It's a little loose right here, but that's probably fine. It's just a connector. All right, let's go and get the car spray down. Alright guys, so test number 2, we replaced the orifice with the 1.1 orifice. So we left the settings exactly the same. Let's go ahead and spray the foam and see if we can get a thicker lather by changing the orifice. Alright guys, as you can see, changing the orifice definitely gives us that shaving cream foam that you want to see when you're shooting with a foam cannon. So my recommendation guys is when you buy any cheap foam cannon anyways, buy the orifices. It's a 4-pack for like 10 bucks I think. I'll link it below. Beginning of the video I said it was a 2-pack, but when I actually opened up the pack there's 4 pieces in it. So maybe I ordered the wrong one or got the wrong one. Don't matter, I got 4. I'll link in the description. As always guys, thanks for watching the video. I appreciate it. We are going to be testing a new soap from Voodoo, Lemon Scent, next, so stay tuned for that video. Peace.